Well, I can't believe there's not that many videos online about this TYM 503. There's probably 3 or 4 of them that are decent. Most of them are in Russian. But this is 4 days old, and it's time for the 503 review. And take a look at the tractor. It's got, directly from TYM, it's got a lot of features on it that you don't get if you buy the clone of this, which is the Mahindra brand, which is exactly the same tractor. Or the Cabela's, which is kind of the same except it's green. The Mahindra has a different nose on it, but the mechanicals, the frame, the cab, it's identical. After doing the research and after going by Cabela's and the Mahindra dealer and the TYM dealer and checking prices and checking features, this is by far the one that you want. This is the 50 horse, it's 503. The 60 horse in the TYM does not come with hydrostatic. It does come with hydrostatic in the Mahindra, but the Mahindra does not have a couple features that I thought were key. Plus the 60 horse is a lot more money, so we went with the 50. And actually the 50 from Cabela's is about $33,000 without the loader, which is ridiculous. The 50 TYM brand, exactly the same as the Cabela's, is $29,000, and it comes with a loader. But the key features on the TYM and the Cabela's that the Mahindra doesn't have is the dual remotes, and also it has draft. Important if you're going to be pulling heavy implements. This one has the 8-way adjustable rear wheels. There's actually 8 different settings you can have on these rear wheels as far as distance between the 2 back tires. Right now I've got mine on almost the widest. We're going to change that to the widest. And if you look in the on the TYM website, it'll explain to you exactly how you do that. But basically you just unbolt the center section, move it to the other side, rebolt it, and you can extend the stance between the tires by like 4.5 inches or so. Another thing that the TYM has that the Mahindra doesn't have is the third function button on the remote, the auto and manual on the PTO control. The Mahindra doesn't have the third or the rear window wiper, which I don't know if that's going to be important and so forth. And the fit and finish is actually, you know, after being around it for a couple days, driving it and so forth, the fit and finish is really nice. I mean, it's a nice built tractor. It's got plenty of power. It will take you and get you stuck in the mud anytime you want, and I've actually had it axle deep a couple of times already playing around. Plenty of power with the bucket. I got a bunch of dirt in there right now. One thing you do have to take into consideration is, and your dealer will tell you this, is do you want ballast in your rear tires? And I don't know what that is. It's probably just they fill them up with an antifreeze or something, but I did notice that when I was picking up some heavy loads, those back tires will come off the ground, and it's a little bit unnerving. The front tires will come off the ground when you do your digging, which is normal, and it's fine, controllable. I will have more reports on this and some more videos of digging in the dirt on a future video. Stay tuned.